Hi everyone, today we're going to draw Pikachu.
That's right, we are going to draw our favorite Pokemon, which is Pikachu. You ready to go?
Yeah.
We need our Sharpies.
And our alcohol markers.
And our alcohol markers and our
papers.
Paper. And you can use alcohol markers or Sharpies or whatever you like to draw with.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hope you all draw along with us. Let's start Pikachu. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's start with Pikachu's nose. So we're going to find the middle of the page.
Yeah.
And we're going to draw just up a little bit. And we're going to draw Pikachu's nose right about here. And it's just like a little oval. Just like a little oval. Yep. Very small. Good job. Okay. And now we're going to draw Pikachu's mouth just under our oval. And it's going to be kind of like a W, but like a squished W. Or we can draw it kind of like that. And like that. Yeah, can you draw that? Oops, I made a little mistake, but that's okay. That's right, perfect. Now we're going to draw Pikachu's eyes, and they're nice big round eyes. So we're going to try draw eyes nice and round and have them the same size on each side, okay? So let's go and draw a round eye over here. Oh, that's not too round, but it'll do. Yeah, around there, yeah. Very good. Try to draw the same size eye on the left side. Oops, my eyes are a little bit wonky. But that's okay, we're having fun and practicing. Wow, yours are more wonky, but it's good, you're doing really good. Alright, now we want to do some highlights in Pikachu's eyes.
Yeah.
And they're both in towards each other,
Yeah.
in the middle. Okay, so we're going to draw a nice big highlight here, and another one on the other side. Then we can color in our eye.
I'm going to add two.
Pikachu only has one highlight in each eye. I know we usually draw two highlights, but if we can try draw Pikachu the way Pikachu is, it'll look the same. So that's okay. You draw another one. Yeah, and then you can just color that one in at the bottom.
I colored in the bottom one.
Good job.
Looks like Pikachu's eyes.
Now it looks like Pikachu's eyes.
It looks like Pikachu is looking up.
Yeah, but it looks really cute, doesn't it? Good coloring, staying in the lines.
We don't want to see those white bits.
No, we don't. You're absolutely right. I'm going to make that one a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to draw two lines on either side of Pikachu's eyes, and this is going to start the head for us, okay? So we're going to draw a line just next to Pikachu's head, or just next to Pikachu's eye, and it's just a really short straight line that goes up like that. And we can do it on the other side as well.
Here.
Yeah,
And here.
that's right. Good job.
I like to do my reference points.
You do like to do great job there. Now we're going to curve the line in a little bit, and that's just we're going to stop right there. Okay, so we're going to stop.
Here.
Yeah, about there. And
And
then
stop here.
no, a bit more to the side there. You're going to stop there, so you can join those lines up with a bit of curve. Good job. Alright, and now we're going to leave a gap here, and then we're going to draw a little round bit, so you can watch what I do here. We're going to draw a little round bit that goes just at the top, but doesn't touch, because we're going to draw Pikachu's ears over there.
To the side here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
to there. And you want to try to make that a little bit round. Good job. Okay. And now the tricky bit, we're going to draw Pikachu's ears. So they, not ears, Pikachu's cheeks. And they're like really chubby cheeks. So they're going to come out a little bit and down and round. But we're not going to join them at the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to draw the cheeks just like this. Come out a little bit and then down. Oops, mine curved a bit. And then out a little bit and then down.
Eating something.
Yeah. Whoa. All right, hang on. You're doing great, but you don't want to go up in a circle. It's just the side of a cheek. Okay, so we're going to come out and round, and we're going to stop here, but we're going to go down to the stopping point. Yeah. Out a little bit, and then down in. Good job. Okay. Good job. All right, now we're going to draw Pikachu's arms because we're going to draw Pikachu sitting down. So let's draw Pikachu's arms over here. We're going to start arm over here and we're going to go down to there. So can you start there and down to here?
Down to him?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, and do a little bit of a curve in it. Very good. And then we're going to draw another one. And this is for the right side, like that. A little bit more inside. A little bit more over there. A little bit closer together. And you're also going to curve that one inside towards the middle. Good job. All right, and then we're going to draw Pikachu's little toes. And we have 5 little toes, and they're just going to be like squiggly lines. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you do that? 1, a bit smaller. 3, 4, 5. Little one. Very good. Okay, and try to draw these ones really small together. Okay, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4,
Looks like making
5.
music.
Oh yeah, like a sound wave. Yeah, that's it. How many you drawn there?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like a little 6th one. That's okay. And now we're gonna draw a little line coming up from the side of her paws. So what should I do here? We're gonna draw a little curve like that.
Looks like he has claws scratching something.
Yeah, because Pikachu likes to run really fast and gallop.
Yeah.
Really cool. And climb things too.
I love Pikachu.
Yeah, I know you do. It's a little curve up there. Very good. Can you draw the same on the other side? Good job. Okay, now we're going to draw the side of Pikachu's body. And Pikachu's sitting down. So we're going to draw a curve and comes around to the bottom over there. So let's start on this side, on the right side. We're going to draw a line. It comes down, swings around, and down like that.
His other foot sitting down.
Yeah, so you can come down. So it's a bit of a tricky one. We're going to come down. We're going to come round the side of the arm. So around the side of the arm and up to the cheek. Yep.
Can you stop here?
A little bit more inside, about there. Yep.
And start here.
Yeah. It's a really tricky one. So you want to try to draw the same line, but keep it a little bit more smooth. Try to get a smooth line there. So I'm going to draw it again. You can watch me. I'm going to draw it again. So it's going down, around, and behind.
Till stop here.
Yep. Very good. Okay, and now we can draw Pikachu's cute little feet. And they're going to go out and come back down. So we're going to draw a line out like that. Come back round. And then up
Sitting
like that.
down.
Yeah, sitting down. We've got our feet sticking out. So yeah, you carry on. Very good. And can we draw the same on the other side? Good. Oh, where did you go? What happened?
No.
Okay, you can wait for me to draw it if you're a little bit confused, but that's okay. If you just draw a little curve over there to complete Pikachu's foot. Good job. All right, and then what we can do, we're gonna draw a little line just coming back behind our arms, or his arms, like that. So over here and over there. And then we're going to draw a middle line over there. That's it. Good job.
Got Pikachu's ears.
Yeah, let's draw Pikachu's ears. So they're kind of long ears, kind of like bunny ears a little bit. So we're going to draw...
sharp.
But they're sharp, that's right. So it's kind of comes to a point like that. And back down to there.
So stop here.
Yep. Can do her right here. And then, but you want to put a little bit of a curve in it. You want to curve a bit. That's a good curve. Very good. Well done. And then we can do the same for the other ear. You can give yourself a reference point again. I might do the same. I'll do a reference point there.
Yeah.
And I'm going to curve it a little bit. Yeah. Whoa, I made mine a little bit long. That's okay. And then back down. Good job. And Pikachu has little black tips on it. And his ears doesn't Pikachu. We'll do those two there. Very good. And we can colour those in.
We forgot Pikachu's tail.
That's right. Don't worry. We haven't forgotten. We're going to do it. It's going to be the last bit.
Then we're going to colour in.
Then we're going to do our favourite part, colouring.
Yeah.
You're doing so great. It's a really tricky drawing to draw Pikachu, but you're doing your best. And you're having fun and practicing, aren't we?
Yeah, Pikachu's yellow.
Yeah, that's right. Pikachu's yellow. We only need like 2 colours for this one. Because Pikachu also has rosy cheeks. So we're going to draw a nice little circle here for Pikachu's cheeks. And it goes like that. So you want it to touch the cheek a little bit. And on the other side as well. And now let's draw Pikachu's tail. So we're going to draw a straight line that comes out right over here. We're going to draw a straight line like that. It's quite a zigzag tail, isn't it? So a line like that. And then another one here. So there. That's it.
The sideways V.
Yeah, it's like a sideways V, that's right. And then one that comes out again. That's good. And then it goes back in. And then we got the big part that goes like that.
That's okay.
Yeah. Very good. And then let's draw it up. That.
Stop her.
Yep. You're doing great. And then we can draw a line that comes all the way back in just behind Pikachu's head. Goes like that. Very good. And then we can draw a line that comes like that. So line there. Good job. And then back here. Then back in with that. That's it. And then one more. There we go.
Look at how to colour in.
Yeah, well, actually, I'm going to add a few little lines here. Just for Pikachu's toes. Just some details there. Just 2 lines. Amazing job. Pikachu is really tricky to draw, but it's really fun. And it's a nice challenge. And when we challenge ourselves, we learn and do better, don't we? Good job to you. You ready to colour?
Yeah.
Right. We're going to use our alcohol markers to colour. You can use whatever you prefer. And you can always pause our video because we're going to be fast forwarding. Alright, let's colour. Well done, Summer. You have done a fantastic Pikachu. What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it? It's a really tricky drawing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know, but when we challenge ourselves and try something that's a little bit difficult, we have fun, we practice, and we get better, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. I'm sure your Pikachus are also just as cute. And if you liked our little drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Well done, you.
Bye.
Boom. Bye.
Bye. Bye.